Hello, welcome back to Litnos Pro. So today's whole video would be regarding Jadavpur University UG new admission. Today I'll be breaking down the steps of admitting in Jadavpur University UG course. Okay. So like students have already started asking that when do we expect our admission process to be started, mean the application to be started. They are asking that when we are again expected to have our entrance exam. Okay, so many questions are there. I do know one by one I'll be replying all. Okay, so you all know that UG admission, which is your BA admission, usually starts when you are done with your HS, mean when you are you have your HS result. Okay, but at our current situation, every board HS result hasn't been released yet. Okay, so that's why the admission notification of Jadavpur University is in live. Okay, but still I can say you that when and at what approximate time you can expect your admission process to be started. Okay, so how I can say it, simple thing, you have to see the last year notice. Okay, which I am now holding and I will show you. Okay, so this is noticed last year is in you can see it that this is Jadavpur University Faculty of Arts. Okay, so it's the year 2025, last year. So we would be seeing that when it exactly started. Okay, to have our idea regarding our current year. Okay, so the last date of submission of form, you can see it says 3/7/2025. Okay, so July 7 mean that July exact date of 3 was the time when the submission of online application ended. So that's why I say that you are expected to get your application form started from June. Okay, roughly from June, and it will be ended in July. So you are supposed to have an eye on Jadavpur University website once the other board results to get out. Okay, and I can assure you that as soon as it releases notice regarding new admission, I'll be first to upload a video regarding the process and how you will be doing it. Okay, so you can see now that last time it started June and ended in 3rd of July. Okay, the last date of admission. So that's what, and submission fee of the last date was 5 of July. And then sports certificate, you all know that there are special seats are available for sport candidate. This is known to you. And why? Because for sports candidate there's not such high criteria for marks. You can, if you are someone belong to sports category, you can get admission with less marks than the other students. Okay, so that's how I say that you are expecting to get notice on June, somewhere around June, but still you will be giving an eye from the date when you will realize that all the both results have been released. Okay, although I'll be giving my video too as soon as I get a notice on admission. Okay, but for the time being, you have to know that it should be starting from June. Okay, and the last date would be somewhere around July. Okay, this is regarding the application timeline. Okay, that's our first question which been asked, the application time. Okay, so the second thing is like regarding our exam. Okay, So everybody knows that unlike some university, it does not always take admission through your HS result. Okay, it is it is it is an university where application process goes on 50% weightage. Okay, 50% plus 50% weightage. What it is? 50% based on your HS result and 50% would be based on your entrance examination result. Mean like if you have done well in your HS examination, still you have to do well in your entrance examination to have been admitted in that university UG course. Okay, and if you have not been able to gain score well in your HS exam, still you have 50% chance to do well in your entrance exam and to secure your seat in that UG course. Okay, that's not impossible case. Even so many students are there who hadn't gained good marks in HS but still they are in that university UG course. How it is? Because they did so well in entrance exam. Okay, entrance exam is the most important factor. There it is being checked that how well you had studied and how your critical thinking is. Okay, because this exam, for the time being, I would just mention that this exam does not test your memory. Okay, it tests your ability to think critically. It tests your ability to understand tough things and to utilize it with your own thoughts. And this is what now your question comes, which was the next question, that when we are supposed to expect our examination. Okay, you can see that the last date of application fee, submitting or paymenting application fee was 5th of July. Now the examination date you can see started from 7th of July. Okay, so like you can understand that how much time you have to prepare. Okay, is 6th of May. Okay, so if you expect in June your like application would be started, July your exam would be started, then I always say you think of it just 1 month you have. Okay, and in that 1 month you have to prepare, and that's not about memory, it's about how do you utilize critical thinking, how you can understand tough topics and explain in your own words. And later on I'll come up with videos regarding this entrance examination, that which kind of questions you can expect and how you are supposed to give answers and do great score. Okay, this is what I'll come up, but till now it's clear when you are supposed to expect your application form to be started, when it to be ended, and when you are supposed to expect your examination. Okay, so that's the first part of our video which says regarding this thing. Okay, second part will be seeing the thing that how many sets are there. Okay, like this is what you are supposed to know before preparing, that how many sets are there, and this is second thing we'll be knowing. Third thing we'll be knowing that the question papers, will be seeing the previous year question papers, that which kind of questions do come up in the exam. Okay, and how much preparation we are supposed to take in order to do well in that exam. That's our third part. And the fourth part will be seeing that exactly after admitting, that what you are supposed to do as a student. Okay, so first for today's, that's much only first part, that that deals with the date of application, when it would be started. As I told, that would be started somewhere around June, when all the board result of HS would be declared. Only one board may be published, others are remaining still. So once this all would be declared, then soon Jadavpur University will put their notice regarding new application live. Okay, so last time it started around June, and lasted till July, so this time we can expect it too. And the date of examination would be on July 2. And I would tell you that by July, end of July, and by August you will get even merit too. Okay, so next video will be coming with this question paper, seat number and other things. For the time being, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get a notification regarding all videos. And thank you for watching. If you have any other doubts, queries, and if have any other demand that you want video regarding anything else, you can definitely ask, as this one too made out of someone's comment. So if you comment me, then I'll definitely make video, okay, on this and try to reply it too. Thank you for watching.